Beetroot juice is one of the most healthy juice ever, as it packs with lots of vital and essential nutrients that help to support the heart, liver and blood flow, just to mention a few. In this video, I'll be showing you all how to make a healthy beetroot juice alongside with its health benefits. So to make the beetroot juice, I have some beetroots that I've properly washed and cut into smaller size. I'll be adding it into the blender. You can choose to take off the back, but since the back is also packed with lots of nutrients, I decided to leave it. I'll also be adding some fruits and vegetables. For the fruits, I'll be using some apple. You can choose to use pineapple or strawberry just to balance the earthy flavor of beetroot. For the vegetables, I'll be using some carrots that I've cut into smaller chunks. You can choose to use cucumber, ginger, parsley or even mint leaf. I'll be adding about 1 cup of water to everything, then cover and allow to blend till pureed. So while that blend, let me tell us more about the health benefits of consuming beetroot juice. It helps to reduce high blood pressure as it contains nitrite, which can lead to an increase in blood flow, thus lowering blood pressure. It helps to prevent anemia because it's rich in iron, which is an essential component for red blood cell formation. Beetroot juice contains antioxidant properties, vitamins and minerals that helps to protect the liver from inflammation and also help in the removal of toxins from the body. It also helps to keep the body weight on check as it's low in calories and high in fiber, which helps to keep the body feeling fuller for longer. If you're an athlete, this might interest you the most because beetroot juice helps to boost athletic performance by increasing blood flow and oxygen supply to the muscle. There are other health benefits of consuming beetroot juice, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending, I'll be straining the puree through this fine sieve in order to get the beetroot juice. You can choose to use a cheesecloth if that's what you have. So I'll be discarding the pulp and our beetroot juice is pretty much ready. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new videos. Please do ensure you like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy.